If you're an energy advisor, consultant, or building engineer thinking about BPI Energy Auditor certification, or you want to land more impactful projects, you're in the right place. Well, welcome. If you've done a search for energy auditing training online, you may have come across the BPI certification. So what skills do you get from becoming a BPI certified energy auditor? Should you become BPI certified? Today we'll explain what the BPI certification is, how to meet the prerequisites, and what skills you learn. The BPI Energy Auditor certification, run by the Building Performance Institute, with the complete name of Home Energy Professional HEP Energy Auditor certification, is designed to validate your skills in conducting residential energy audits. Being certified means that you've covered off on the BPI Energy Auditor prerequisites and passed the examination. And it's focused, based on the name, on home audits. Well, why does it matter? Having this credential demonstrates technical expertise and a commitment to industry standards. Who's it for? It's for professionals working in residential settings. Now, what I like about the BPI Auditor certification is its strong focus on the performance of the building envelope. Its practical focus on heating and cooling systems and domestic hot water. Now, building envelope performance is important in any building that needs to be air conditioned, whether heating or cooling. The more extreme the climate, the more important building envelope performance is. Not surprisingly, the BPI is headquartered in a cold climate, New York State, at a latitude of 43 degrees north, where the average daily temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius for around 90 days a year. In such a cold climate, the envelope performance is incredibly important. I also really like the examination process. There is both a multiple choice exam, but what I find great is the field exam, where candidates have to take measurements and configure equipment. If you fail that practical test, you're not certified. The BPI doesn't run training courses as such, and you can sit the exam without undergoing training. However, most BPI test centres also offer training. Now, BPI test centres are only in the USA, and these test centres are typically run by organisations which provide a range of training courses associated with building code compliance. Now, whilst training is not required to sit the BPI exam, the prerequisites do include at least 1,000 hours experience related to building home energy performance, and the preparation of at least 10 energy models. And then there's other requirements that can be a mix of practical building trades experience, related industry certifications, or even training from industry-specific training sectors. The Building Performance Institute is also a US national standards development organization for residential energy efficiency and weatherization retrofit work. So the BPI Energy Auditor certification is a great certification for those working with residential home energy efficiency in the United States. For those working in energy efficiency in the commercial or industrial sectors, the residential focus of the BPI means that there are gaps in it when it comes to the C&I or commercial and industrial space. Investment decisions processes are different for commercial and industrial facilities. The range of technologies that an auditor needs to be familiar with and will come across is much wider, and HVAC systems can be much more complex. The BPI doesn't touch industrial energy users, and it doesn't cover off on lighting. Nonetheless, the BPI certification certainly does cover off on a range of skills that are useful to commercial energy audits. And in particular, it requires hands-on experience in using various tools that can also be used in commercial energy audits. And to be BPI certified as a home energy auditor, you need a pretty good understanding of building physics, which is a weak area for many commercial and industrial energy auditors. The Investment Grade Energy Auditor Certification, or IGEA, is a certification developed for those working in commercial and industrial energy efficiency, and it's not just limited to the USA. Like the BPI certification, the examination process aligned with the IGEA also goes beyond multiple choice to including a practical exam. The final IGEA exam involves undertaking an energy audit of a mid to large-sized commercial or industrial facility. The energy audit report is then assessed by an expert auditor. Unlike the BPI certification, the IGEA includes training as part of the certification package. So if you're interested in commercial or industrial energy audits, take a look at the IGEA, and you can take your free IGEA lessons today and see why energy advisors, building engineers, and sustainability leaders trust this advanced certification for the career. Just look for the links below this video.